Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today we are in Dubai. We want to show you a raw content of Dubai. This is unedited video. We're exploring Dubai from Union to Al Karama to one of the biggest department store in Dubai. It's called Day to Day. Guys, we're starting our day with eating authentic Indian Masala Dosa and puri Bhaji. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. While you're watching the video, consider sharing this video and also like the video. It does help the channel grow. Thank you very much. I don't want to waste so much of your time. I hope you enjoy the video. Wow. Wow. Nice food, eh? How many minutes if you cook? Oh, okay. Sorry. Wow, it's masala dosa. Is that masala dosa, yeah? They do the fish. They already marinated it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they definitely do the fish.
And they do something I like. So
Oh, that's good.
I'd have the Nepalese salad.
And the food he just brought out looked amazing.
The restaurant was really nice.
Yeah. Wow, babe, look at this. Huh?
This is a little bit
No
like
five,
one.
yeah. Wow.
So yeah.
Do you see this?
Money. And I'm like, no, I know the money the minute I get here.
I thought maybe we still have like 3 days. Well, guys, we're currently in Union. This is the park where people come, relax, braid their hair, meet their friends, have breakfast. That's a market. That's a regal market. No, that can't be right. What market is it? It's not far from us. Yeah. But I'm very full.
Oh, I used to go down that one.
I've seen this before. Wow. Wow, look. Carrefour Market. Wow. So guys, if you want to top up your ticket, this is where you go. There's machines down here. And there's also shops here where you can buy like bags, you know, drinks. And then if you want to get into the platform, you use this card here, point you like how the lady is doing, and then if the doors will open for you, then you can get in, like how I'm going to do it now. Well, we are in Day to Day Al Karama Center.
A litre of olive oil is £2.
£2.
Yeah. Not £7.
Are we allowed to take oil?
Section 170, please. Section 170, please. of the hand to the reception counter please. Direct to the reception counter. Separate electronic section to counter 16 please. Electronic section to counter 16 please.
Units have to counter number 78 please. Units have to counter number 78 please. Inspection staff to counter number 14 please. Inspection staff to counter number 14.
Counter number 34 please. Inspection staff to counter 16 please. Inspection staff to counter 16 please.
Sorry.
Section to counter 16 please.
Sorry.
Section to counter 16 please.
Now to counter 32 please. One cleaners now to counter 32 please.
Yeah.
Please. Also section staff counter number 35 QP please. Toy section counter 30 please. Toy section counter 30. One staff of toy section counter 30 please. Toy section counter 30 please. Toy section counter 30.
I wanted the 90, but I don't know where to get it. Are we going to the men? It's not third floor.
order 40 donate. Back section order 40 donate.
Okay. I'm so glad we came to this side of, we passed this side of Akram. That one and the Medina. Wow. I like his shirts. People like us. Exactly. Wow, they're selling food. Wow, plantain. Wow, that's a lot of food. Hello. How are you? Yeah, don't mind that. There's no zebra crossing there. There's no zebra crossing.